Looks perfect.
I think the oil leak is coming from this gasket right here. Good catch. We'll need to replace that seal.
The hood looks solid. Check the windshield up top. Good idea. Check the seam on the headlight. That looks good. Did you get the trim by the door? All right, looking good. Yeah, just one spot here. Got it. Wow. Close. That's a perfect finish.
Oh.
Stage 2, soft microfiber wipe across hood and fender. Looks great, man. Just need to hit this fender here. Nice work. Looks perfect now.
Kompleto niya ini.
Yes, the paint consistency is excellent. Great job. Keep it steady, slowly. Almost there. Got it. Just a little more pressure. Perfect. Almost there. Stage 3 complete. Good, the connections look secure. Okay, all the bolts are loose. I've got the corner here. Release the clip. Stage 4. Carefully on this one. Slow and controlled. All right, just the latch here. Looks good. Perfect. We're solid. Line it up perfectly. Okay, I got this side. Nice. Give me the drill. Looks solid. Line it up with the mounts. Got it. Just a little to the left. Perfect. Torque it down. Looks perfect. Good to go.
Hold it right there.
Okay, I've got it.
Does that look straight?
Line it up here. Okay, push it on. Perfect. It's
See how tight this gap is? The alignment is definitely affecting the clearance here. It doesn't match the specs.
right.
Let's adjust the caster angle first.
Right here on the catalytic converter, there's a hairline fracture starting at the joint.
I see it. That explains the rattling. We'll need to replace this section.